Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to our channel. And for this video, we're going to look at a match made in Heroclix. And we're looking at this tarot card and what to match with the Nine of Wands. So let's go! Okay, so we're looking at finding the perfect match for the Nine of Wands. So let's take a look first at the tarot cards. This is Wolverine with a bunch of steel beams. Okay, and the Nine of Wands effect is that when a character uses Empower, also modify the attacker's attack +1. So meaning, Empower natively would increase the damage +1, but with this tarot card, it will also increase the attack value of the empowered character by +1, effectively giving that character close combat expertise. Okay, so we're gonna put that aside. So the crucial ability here would be Empower, and from the X-Men X of Swords set, we were able to pull two figures that has Empower, and the first one being the uncommon Peeper. So Peeper is set number 18, Brotherhood of Mutants, Swords, and X-Men. I can see for both of us trait that when friendly characters carry Peeper, they modify speed +2. And he has that spatter Empower damage ability or power. Okay, so only 25 points. So, and he is not unique. So meaning we can use multiple of Peeper. And here again is the Peeper figure. Okay, so you can go multiples of Peeper, so that in turn you will have +2 damage and +2 attack for your empowered character. Okay, and that's even better than Close Combat Expert, because Close Combat Expert do have a cap of +1 with attack. Okay, whereas if you have multiple empowers, it will also mean multiple increase in the attack value. And the second character that we pulled that has the Empower power is the uncommon Gorgon. So the uncommon Gorgon is a sword bearer with the X-Men assassin and martial artist keywords, 5 points to equip him with any sword when he starts the game. And he is a great captain of Krakoa, meaning he has leadership, and when he succeeds, this turn friendly characters that have the X-Men team ability may use it as free. Okay, and looking at the dial, he has Empower on both his 65 full point line or his 30 point line. So it's really your choice whether you want to use him at 65 or 30. Okay, and of course, if you equip the sword, this would technically make it 70 and 35 points. Okay, so now that we know characters that will give Empower, okay, so we need to maximize this perfect match with our main attacker, okay, which is going to be, in this case, Colossus from the Avengers Fantastic Four Empire set. Okay, so this is Colossus from that particular set. So he is wielding magic sword. Okay, so he is a rare from the set, and has the keyword Jean Grey School for higher learning. X-Men are more future, mystical, and ruler. Okay, has a trait Jean Grey School of the future. Okay, so we're not gonna worry about that for now. But what we want to emphasize is his special movement power, which is whoever holds the soul sword is the ruler of limbo. And with this, he has passenger 2, facing teleport, and when Colossus is given a move action after resolutions, he can make a close attack or use the X-Men team ability as free. So this would effectively give him a full movement, facing teleport, and then make a close attack. Okay, so Colossus is 125 points. Okay, so a bit pricey. That's why we have to maximize him. So he has that special movement power throughout the dial. Okay, and his failing is that he has a low attack for 125 points, which is 11 attack only. He does have a great damage at 4. Okay, so all the more reason that he is a perfect match to use for the tarot card. Okay, so what we're going to do basically is put Colossus, Peeper, and Gorgon adjacent to each other. Okay, so Colossus will be playing as the carrier. Okay, and the good thing is that when Colossus can carry 2, but when he carries Peeper, he modifies his speed plus 2. Okay, if you carry 2 Peepers, then you modify your speed plus 4, but of course there is a limit of plus 3. So that would make the move of Colossus, the facing teleport, to 11 if you're carrying 2 Peepers. Okay, if only 1 Peeper, then that would mean it's gonna be 10 facing teleport, and then after you face for 10, okay, then you can make a close attack. And the close attack, again, with the tarot card, will be empowered twice. So therefore, you will have plus 2 damage. That makes it 6. And you will also have plus 2 attack. Okay, because again, of the tarot cards. And that would make his attack 13 for possible 6 damage. Okay, so he is also 2 bolts, so meaning 2 targets, so meaning he can distribute that 6 damage to 2 different targets. Okay, so that will be the main gameplay for this particular tarot card match. So I hope you like the idea. If you have comments and recommendations on who can be an alternative figure that can empower, okay, or how to what best match this 9 of Wands, then please put it in the comments. And also, if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe, like, and do all of that to help the channel out. So thank you very much, everyone. I hope you enjoy your team building and exploring the possibilities for the upcoming X-Men, X of Swords, 10 of Swords, Heroclix set. Bye-bye and keep safe.